Top 10 marketing strategies for renovation business. Number 1. Offer a complimentary online estimate for home renovations. Number 2. Create and automate leads generation campaigns using Google and Bing search ads. Number 3. Configure an email funnel to convert leads into customers. Number 4. Set up comprehensive retargeting advertising on Google and Facebook. Number 5. Create an impressive before and after portfolio on Instagram and Pinterest. Number 6. Hire an SEO specialist to get on Google's first page. Number 7. Never stop networking and supporting local communities. Number 8. Invest in customer relations to increase referrals from current customers. Number 9. Offer discounted packages to veterans and social service organizations. Number 10. Collaborate with the real estate brokers and the property manager. If you are looking for any kind of digital marketing help, check out Brainido's Digital Marketing Marketplace. Find all services at one place and get started for free.